I'm an emu.
You're what?
Elmo.
Who's he?
Big Bird.
You mean the little red thing on TV?
Big Bird.
He's the yellow one.
Red.
The big red thing is Elmo?
Big Bird.
No, Sarah, the red one is Elmo.
My life is now a lie.
Your life hasn't been a lie.
If Big Bird is an Elmo, then my life is a lie.
Oh. Well.
Oh.
Are you okay? Okay, who's your favorite sister?
Me.
You're my sister. That does not make
I'm
you...
telling Mom no. Yeah, I'm my own sister.
No, you're not. You're
Like
my
my toes.
sister. Those are nice
Thank
toes.
you.
Anyways,
This one's
yeah.
nice and plump.
What one's nice and plump?
This one, look at it. It's nice and plump. I'm gonna put it on a diet. Look at this.
You can't put your